In most cases, we do not need to bring any heavy machinery to get into the backyard. We don't bring in an excavator to dig the holes. We hand dig all of the holes. For the most part, it's about 24 to 30 inches by about 24 to 30 inches per hole. We hand dig all of those. A benefit to that is if you come in with an excavator, you can easily, break pipes and things like that. Hand digging, we can feel that stuff as we're going. And all of everything that we do is brought in by hand. All of the rams, the brackets, we carry them all into your backyard. So if you just have like a basic, gate, and a wall, we can carry it all in there, no problem. Our guys do a very good job of cleaning up after themselves, and what you have to take into consideration is when we're installing piers, everything's underground. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take all of the dirt that we excavated, we're gonna backfill that, compact it. If it's concrete, we're gonna redo the concrete right there, and we're gonna hose everything down, pressure wash if we need to make it look as good or better than it was before we even got there. Unfortunately, if you have a rose bush right in a pier location, that might need to be removed. Plants in the pier areas will need to be removed and replanted. Now, that's going to be your responsibility to remove that, maybe plant it temporarily and put it back. Or, if that happens to die, you may want to have to, in your mind, think, I may just have to replant new rose bushes here. If the grass is in the pier location, we're gonna need to go through that grass, and you're gonna probably wanna think about putting in new sod there after we're done. As far as the grass behind where we're digging, we're gonna put a plastic sheet down, and we're gonna put the dirt on top of that sheet so that you're not gonna see a lot of dirt on top of your grass. Thank you for watching the video, and if you have any additional questions or if you'd like to move forward with your proposal, you can give me a call or email me.